Hi guys, welcome to Sensei Cane. On this video we're going to look at CT19. This is the last of the CTs we're doing for a little while, and it's all to do with a wrist grab.
What we're looking at is somebody's grabbed your wrist to stop you from using your cane, and this will be a control and a wrist dislodge technique. With this technique, what somebody's trying to do is control the hand that's controlling your cane, and it's what we call an inline grab. So same side is going to grab my wrist. What I'm going to do is a nice upward fan block and bring the hand up. Now in the CT it's the palm is up. With our system we do a lot of these snaky motions, so we tend to do it with a palm down, and what we're going to do is roll that in and control. From there we can dislodge the wrist, we can strike, whatever you want to do. So nice and simply here, rotating the wrist and we're grabbing the cane. We're bringing the cane down, ideally on bone. We're rotating this hand towards us, driving it in. We can move our feet, and then we can start to do all sorts of weird locks, whatever comes naturally as you're doing that position. Could be a strike from there, anything you like, but it's whatever position you end up in, go for that move.
As Chris has just demonstrated, it's basically a control for the wrist. So we're looking, I'm in my chair, I'm just going to lock the brakes off just so I don't move. And as you've seen probably from loads of videos, I actually sit like this quite a lot. So Chris is going to grab me in line. Again, the cane comes over, and as with the able-bodied, you've got this ability here, but for me it doesn't work. I come in and I come through here. As you can see, he's well off balance. I've got strikes to the face if he starts to pull away. If he then tries to turn out, I just change round and locate this way. With the motion, although he's got the hand on, you can still hit as well as then getting into your position. Try both sides. If this works for you or that works for you, use it.
Okay, with this technique we're doing an inside to outside fan block. What you want is to be able to move that cane quickly and effectively. So as always when doing a warm-up, we'll practice these wrist turns, controlling the cane, stopping it where you need. If you're doing a slow, laborious move, then putting your hand on, they're going to have time to react. So you want this to come up quickly and your hand to engage with the cane as quickly as possible as well. Practice both sides, just look at the technique. What moves do I need? Break it down. Start slow, speed up speed, strength, and then as you're coming through, engaging the other hand. Practice on both sides. Always important, don't just do the technique, do the warm-up and the drills and strength exercises to enhance your technique.
Right guys, thanks for watching. We hope you like this video. As you can see, we've adapted it from the Cane Master system due to our body position and obviously our ability to control our wrists. With age we do tend to get a little bit more tighter. Please, as usual, stick a comment down below, let us know what you think, any questions you may have, and give us a thumbs up.
If you haven't already, please subscribe, don't forget to ring the bell and free the fear.